Hi, I'm Anj and this is my mom Laura.
Hi, we're Veganish, and we are your guide to extraordinary, everyday vegan cooking. Hi, thanks for joining us on Veganish. Today we are going to be making
Kale Quinoa Salad.
Yeah, it's easy, it's simple, it's really delicious. It's got your proteins and your greens. Let's get started. These are the things you're gonna need. First of all, you're gonna need your quinoa, and you can get this in any grocery store.
This will be like the base of your recipe.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do 2 cups of this, and the ratio is usually like 1 cup of quinoa to 1.5 cups of water.
Okay, they say rinse the quinoa, but we actually never rinse the quinoa. So it's 2 cups of quinoa to 3 cups of water.
Bring it to a boil and then it'll simmer for 15 minutes. And you wanna do that first so it can get out of the way and get cooled down and done. And while we're doing that, we're going to be chopping the veggies. So we're gonna start with 1 red onion. And obviously this depends on the ratio that you wanna have for like your salad. And we're gonna make a pretty big salad.
We've got a big family, so yeah.
Yeah, family of 6.
And if you want leftovers, this is fabulous. Also, you're gonna use a couple of bell peppers.
Oh, my eyes are going.
So Anj and I have a bit of a different idea on cutting. She likes things really small, so I have to make sure that I double cut.
I like them really small and diced so you can get like a full bite with all the things in there, you know?
Yeah, and mine are more chunky.
Mom just chunks up anything she wants to and throws it in a pot.
Well, because as a mom and you're in a rush, sometimes you don't have time to.
It definitely makes a difference in how fast we can prepare meals.
We also throw in a couple of avocados.
Yes, avos are the best.
Yeah, avos kind of make a salad, in our opinion.
I like doing these in bigger chunks because when you like mix it all around, it's gonna kind of mash up.
Yeah.
Oh, scooping it out with a knife.
Okay, this is called time management.
Not dirtying up extra utensils.
Exactly. So your quinoa is still going to be not boiled yet, so if you could just prep the dressing at the same time.
Yeah, really, the quinoa takes the longest. So even if you want to make the salad, like, remember this in the morning so you can get your quinoa done and then let it cool. So I made this salad a few Thanksgivings ago and everybody loved it. So I know that it's not just me as a vegan liking this salad, it's actually it.
Yeah, so a little bit about ourselves. Anj went vegan cold turkey.
Yes. I was bored and so I needed change.
She went, 6 years ago, over 6 years, almost 7 now. Yeah, and I eased into it. So I went vegetarian first, and then after a couple of years, went vegan. And our whole family, besides my son, is vegan. So yeah, he's the lone one of the 6 of us.
Yeah, besides
we're getting them. Yeah, we're getting them.
Yeah,
We're slowly integrating into a vegan lifestyle. I mean, he does eat our meals and he likes them. Our quinoa is starting to boil, so I just turned it down to simmer, and in about 15 minutes it should be good to go, and we're going to show you our trick for doing this fast. In the meantime, we're going to make the dressing.
This dressing, obviously ratios again, but we're going to be using a lot of dressing for this. So, decent amount of olive oil.
Yeah, so what do you got there? Almost half a cup.
I'm going to do probably like 3 or 4 caps of lemon juice here.
Yeah, so that's about,
it's just going to be
4
like 4
teaspoons, a couple of tablespoons maybe.
Yeah.
We'll give you the recipe down below.
We'll put the exact measurements there so you're not guessing around.
And hopefully everyone has dill pickles in there.
Oh yeah, and you can use really just normal vinegar, but I feel like this just adds some flavor. Let's see how much I'm actually putting in here.
Yeah, quarter cup.
A slosh, about a quarter cup.
Yeah.
All right, and Dijon. Oh yeah. My favorite part, oh yeah, just like a hefty amount of Dijon here. Is
what do you think? Maybe a tablespoon or 2? We'll definitely mark it down in the recipe box.
About 2 tablespoons.
Okay, spice.
We're gonna go with the staples first. So obviously garlic, lots of garlic. I'm gonna say this is about 2 teaspoons.
Yeah.
And some pepper.
Sorry.
Just just as much as you like to flavor it. You know, some people like more spice and whatever.
What do you think? A tablespoon?
Lots of dill.
Yeah.
I love dill. It is my absolute favorite spice.
So
we could even put more dill in there, just whatever you feel. But
yeah, we can sort of test it as it goes.
yes, chili powder. I feel like just really rounds out
About a tablespoon
spice
as well.
of it. Yeah. Some salt, of course.
We'll try half teaspoon and we'll add more to taste if we can.
Yes, obviously just a taste. And don't do what I just did, which is pouring the salt directly over. And I'm just gonna mix up the dressing and then we're done. Normally we don't buy the pre-cut.
If you've never bought kale before, it does come with like pretty hard stalks. So just peel the leaves right off the stalks.
Oh yeah, this is so easy though. Really, all our salads end up overflowing out of the bowl.
Okay, so we'll just leave it at this and wait for the quinoa to be ready.
All right, we'll check back in when the quinoa's done. As you can see, the quinoa is done and we are really impatient, so.
Yeah, and I think most people are. You're coming home from work, you're trying to make a meal, you don't want to wait around for the quinoa to cool before you can actually stick it in the salad. So we always just, once it's done, it'll be sort of light and fluffy like this.
Yeah, no water at the bottom. All the water should be soaked up.
Yep. Just stick it on a tray.
And we're just gonna throw this in the freezer or fridge, whichever has space.
Yep. And back in 5.
All right, and we're back.
We're back. Quinoa is cooled.
Yeah.
And we're ready to stick it in the salad. So
Okay.
I'll hold it and
Oh,
you scoop it in.
Thank you. This is a lot easier than just trying to do this all myself.
I'm just gonna pour this over and then we can.
Oh, that looks delicious.
It
The
does.
dressing makes the salad.
Yeah,
100%. All right. And we're just gonna mix this up. Hopefully nothing will spill over the edge. And this meal is so great really because it's like got your greens, it's got your proteins, it's got a whole bunch of veggies.
And the nice thing about kale too, it's not like lettuce. It doesn't go soggy so quickly.
Oh yeah,
So this
can
will
keep.
last. Yeah. So you can bring this to lunch, the next day.
Honestly, it's actually really nice adding the dressing and then letting it all kind of mush together. And a lot of people say that like massages the kale and it definitely makes it all softer and nice.
Yeah, but we're gonna taste it now.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it now. And now we're going to be adding some extra toppings. We love putting on some cranberries and some walnuts onto this.
Yeah, a little sweetener for the cranberries. There we go. Okay, mix it up. I'm hungry.
Yeah, this really looks so good. And it's awesome, super healthy meal, vegan, gluten-free, obviously, no sugar.
Besides what's in the cranberry, but
All right. This is looking great.
fabulous. Okay, serve it up. Or
Okay.
here, I'll serve it up for us.
Thank you.
Let's give this a try.
On camera for you.
Mm-hmm. It's good. Tastes great. Join us next time. We're going to be making a gluten-free vegan blueberry muffins.
Yeah.
Coming Friday.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Go.
It's going to be lame.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, start.
Hello.
You don't have to clap more than once.
It's not more so.
God.
Wait just wait a second.
Sorry, I'm
Okay.
And pepper. Pepper and then the
I already
kale.
put pepper.
No, you did.
Yes, I did. I put pepper in there already.
Oh, didn't you see you put pepper?
I 100% put pepper. And I said, only put as much spice as you want.